My name is Beatriz, and I am a girl from the city. I was born in São Paulo, Brazil, and lived most of my life here. I'm passionate about nature and always look for green places around my town to breathe and relax. In our hectic lives, we overuse parts of our brain which deal with logic, information, and decision making. A world of desires and distractions does not give our brain the rest it deserves. The chatter in our heads often goes out of control, but most of people ignore the signs until things go wrong. I'm listening to the signs. I will find a place where I'm totally out of the city to reconnect to my natural being again. I've heard about Angra dos Reis when I was young, a beautiful place in Rio de Janeiro. I think I found where to start my adventures. I'm on my way to Angra dos Reis, and for this trip I'm bringing my journal with me. I like writing to express and assimilate what is going on inside of my brain and my feelings. So for all the experiences that we are going to have there, I'm going to write right here. Angra dos Reis means Day of the Kings, and it has 365 islands. A place full of magic and nature. Come with me in this journey towards a reconnection to nature. In the next episode, I will find many surprises on my way to Angra dos Reis.